Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by locking down settings and immediate repetitions. First, adjust right stick sensitivity and dead zone so small pushes register. This gives consistent releases. Once done, enable shot aiming and load your player with hot zone awareness so the right stick matches where they shoot best. Then, jump into freestyle or my court and take 50 purpose-driven makes focusing on catch and shoot and one dribble pulls. Make sure to record your release points now so you have a baseline to improve from. Now you refine execution under pressure by reading the defense and adjusting your stick input. When the defender closes out hard, use a step back or pump fake and then push the right stick quickly toward the rim for a contested three. Conversely, use a softer, partial push for floaters or teardrop layups. Make sure to sync stick direction with the meter. Aim toward the basket while timing the green window. Practice varying push strength and direction so muscle memory covers catch, dribble, and contested scenarios. Finally, apply this in games by choosing the right moments to use the right stick. Quick catch and shoots, kickouts after drives, and stepbacks versus overplay. Once done, maintain consistent release timing and avoid overcompensating with direction. Small adjustments beat wild flicks. If shots are missing, check one key troubleshooting tip. Recalibrate your controller dead zone and reevaluate stick sensitivity, then rehearse 20 focused reps with the corrected settings. That fixes most timing and registration problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.